So this week we are specifically talking about drawing with graphics and the screen flicker and how to is to double buffer, right? So it tells you to do some research with double buffering in Java, discuss with the class how to implement double buffering and why it is important. Now, obviously, if you have a screen flicker that's going to cause issues, double buffering to eliminate the screen issue is important. However, I'm going to go one further, and I'm going to say that this particular problem, with quotes around it, is indicative of other languages that have similar problems. When I had a lot of dealings with C++ once upon a time, they had an issue that sometimes you would have to flush the output stream, and you never knew when that was going to occur. You would know it when suddenly, older version of C++, you would have it where it would take in data that you didn't input, and it would have leftover things in the input stream. And what I challenge you to do is not only think about the double buffering in reference to the eliminating the screen flicker. I want you to also kind of think about other languages that you have perhaps run into similar issues that are in place to specifically handle those issues related to that particular language. Not really language dependent in the way, but compiler dependent, and I guess you could actually go so far as to say language dependent. So either way, remember once again, and this is not really to do with the discussion, this week is recursion, and recursion is so important for you to get a hold of. My micro lesson should focus in on that. So far, things seem to be going well. Stay focused on what you're doing, and keep up the videos explaining what's going on, because it allows me to get to grips with what you're doing and why. So thank you very much for your time.